Hello and welcome in this video on starting a company in Indonesia as a foreigner. My name is Ricko. I'm a legal specialist here from Move Indonesia, and I will be guiding you through the process. With years of experience in helping expats navigate the complexity of Indonesian business law, I'll share valuable insight into practical tips to ensure a smooth and successful journey. Before we dive into the specifics, it's essential to understand the basic of a starting company in Indonesia. The country has a unique business environment with specific regulation and requirement for foreign investors. Let's start with the most common type of companies. First one will be PT or Perseroan Terbatas, and the other one will be RO, Representative Office. A PT is a limited liability company, which is the most popular choice for foreign investor. It offers limited liability protection and it is relatively easy to establish. On the other hand, Representative Office doesn't require you any investment to be made in Indonesia, but your business activity will be limited into research and making a relationship with the government or other company in Indonesia. Now that we've covered the basics, let's discuss the importance of choosing the right business structure. This decision will significantly impact your business legal and financial obligation. Consider factors such as your business goals, the number of shareholders, and the level of liability protection you need. For foreign investor, limited liability company is often the best choice due to its limited liability protection and ease of establishment. However, it's crucial to consult with a legal expert to determine the best structure for a specific business need. Once you've chosen your business structure, it's time to register your company. This involves several steps, including determining your shareholders, director, commissioners, determining your business names, capital composition, and the last thing will be business classification. It is essential to have a thorough understanding of these steps to avoid any potential legal issue or delays. That's why it's recommended to work with a legal expert like myself to ensure a smooth registration process. After registering your company, there are several post-registration maintenance to keep in mind. These include investment report. You need to report your investment report every 3 months to Ministry of Investment. You also need to report your tax compliance to comply with Indonesian tax laws. The last thing will be your business operation. Ensure your company operate in compliance with Indonesian law and regulation, including labor and environmental laws. By understanding this requirement, you can avoid any potential legal issues and ensure your company remain compliant with Indonesian law. Starting a company in Indonesia as a foreigner can be a complex and overwhelming process. However, with the right guidance and expertise, it can also be a rewarding and successful venture. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insight and practical tips to help you navigate the process. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to Move Indonesia. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your business endeavor in Indonesia.